Khevna, how are you now? Khevna,
Ma'am,
how are you
fine.
feeling? Okay, good. Good. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, children, first we take a quick recap on the divisibilities. As you all know that we are learning multiples from the last few classes. We have learned how to find the common multiple. We have learned how to write the multiple. We have learned how to write the fourth multiple, the fifth multiple, eighth multiple, and we have learned how to find the common multiples, right? And next we have learned how to check the divisibilities test also we have done. So can we take a quick recap? Can anyone tell me all the divisibilities? Raise your virtual hand so I can call your name. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Nishika, tell me the divisibilities.
Ma'am, two's divisibility is that if the last digit is the even number, then the whole number will be divisible by 2.
Yes.
Can you say the divisibility by 3?
No, I want all the divisibilities from each child. Yes, next.
Okay. Divisibility of 3 is that whatever the number is, you have to plus it, and whatever the sum will be, if it is divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 3. Then the
Very
fourth divisibility is you have to check the last 2 digits to
Vedi, I
come
will
to
call your
divisible.
name. Please turn on. Wait, Nishika. Turn on your camera, Vedi, please. I will call your name. Raise your virtual hand if you want to give me the answer. Okay, raise your virtual hand. You don't have a hand raising option? Okay. I will call your name. Let's Nishika complete first. Yes, Nishika.
In the fourth divisibility, the last 2 digits we have to check. In the fifth, if the last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. In
Can
the
you repeat
sixth,
the divisibility of 4, please?
the fourth divisibility is the last digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the whole digit is divisible by 4. Then the
Yeah,
sixth
and
rule
even
is
see, even two zeros are also coming in the at the last any number. For example, if I say 4,500, so you can see the two digits are coming, right?
yeah.
So two zeros are coming at the last. Then also the number is divisible by
4.
4.
Oh,
Yes.
then the sixth divisibility is that if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6.
Yeah.
Then
Please
the
confirm
sixth.
it should be divisible by both. Yeah. Even
Okay.
if it is divisible by only 2 and not by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Yes. It should
Yeah.
be divisible by both 2 and 3 both. Yes. Next.
First, in the seventh rule, we have to take the first 2 digit. Then
Hmm.
we have to minus it by the we have to then multiply 2 multiply by the last digit, and
Hmm.
whatever the answer is, then we have to minus it, and what if say, like that whatever the number comes, then it will, if it is divisible by 7.
Hmm.
Then the eighth rule is the same as the fourth rule. We have to
Hmm.
check the last 2 digits.
Hmm.
Then the ninth rule, we have to plus all the digits. Then in the 10 rule, if the last digit is 0, then it is
Hmm.
divisible by 10.
Hmm.
11th is we have to check the places, like odd number and the even number, like 1 and 3 are odd number.
Hmm.
So whatever it is, we have to sum it. If the answer is if the answer is 11 or 0, then it will be divisible by 11.
You are reading right now all the divisibilities, but I want you to learn thoroughly these divisibilities.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
I still didn't understand the divisibility of 7.
Okay. will explain you. Yes.
And
Yes,
the
Samriddhi.
divisibility by 9 is same like 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And anyone else? Samriddhi, can you explain us all the divisibilities?
Yeah, ma'am. I say 2 is divisible.
Others, those who are sitting, they please write the divisibilities in the chat box.
Ma'am, 2 is divisible by.
Write the divisibilities in the chat box. Aryaman Sanjay, you are 6 minutes late in my class. Yes, others, please write all the divisibilities. Everyone, I want everyone to participate in the class. Write all the divisibilities in the chat box.
Ma'am, now I can say
Yes, Samriddhi.
if the number is divisible by if the number is even, so it is divisible by 2.
Even at which place?
Last place.
Last place is the which place we call it?
One's place.
Yes.
Then
Daria, please write the divisibilities in the chat box.
then
Anya, Mittal, please turn on your camera and write the divisibilities.
Ma'am, when I go to chat box, it's automatically off.
Okay. Okay, and I am giving you a reminder, children. I have noticed you children are leaving my class 5 to 7 minutes before. I know the name of the students. Please take a note of it. These names will go to sir. If you do it continue, then you will not able to join my class for the next few days. Please take a note. Until I will not say bye to you, you will not leave the class. I know the name of the students. I have a list with me. Got it, students, everyone? Show me thumbs up that you will be in my class till last. Till I will not say bye to you all. Okay? Don't see timings, because I am also have a back-to-back classes. So I always see time and observe, and then when I will say you bye, then only you will leave the class. Clear? Yes, Samriddhi, please continue.
ma'am, divisible of 3.
Divisibility of 3.
Divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, so the complete number is divisible by 3.
Okay, wait now. Vedi, divisibility of 4 and 5. Vedi, turn on your mic and tell me. You raise your hand, no? Tell me the answer. Divisibility of 4 and 5. Ayush, divisibility of 4 and 5.
Yes, ma'am. So the divisibility of 4 is that if the last two numbers, like the first ones place and the tens place,
Yes.
if that is divisible by 4, then the entire number is.
Okay. The number formed by the last two digits, the number formed by the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then the entire number is divisible by 4. Can you tell me the divisibility of 5?
Yes. The divisibility of 5 is if any number ends with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. And the reason of that is that if we start with 5, so it affects the large number, because 5 itself is the ones place number. So it will only affect the ones place, and the in the table of 5 and 0, every number with 5 and 0 comes in that table. That's the reason.
Priya, divisibility of 6 and 9.
6 and 9. Divisibility of 6 is that if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. And the divisibility of 9 is same as the divisibility of 3, means all the numbers add up, the sum of all the numbers should be divisible by 9.
Their divisibility of 10 and 15.
Ma'am, the divisibility of 10 is if the last digit or the
Which is the
ones
last?
place
Yeah.
digit, it should be 0.
Hmm.
And a 15 if is Ma'am, I'm saying, ma'am, the divisibility of 15 is if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5.
Yes. Okay, mute your mic. So children, as you know that you all are clear that with the divisibilities, right? Next coming classes, I will give chance to other students to give me the and share the divisibilities with me. Ayush, your doubt I will clear at the last. Divisibility of 7, I will explain you at the last.
7,
Okay?
10,
Stay till at the
7,
last.
11, and 15. All three.
Okay, okay. So you stay till last. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the factors. We are going to learn about what? We are going to learn about the factors. Now, how to write the factors? Factors means you need to check. If I say write the factors of 12, you need to check this 12 is coming in which table. So always remember every number is a factor of 1 and the number itself. दो factor तो होते ही हैं. Yes, we know prime numbers and composite numbers.
Yes. Ma'am, the prime numbers
Yes,
are the numbers that has only 2, and the composite numbers are the numbers that has more than 2.
Yes, prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. Means the number 1 and the for example, if I take 13, 13 is a prime number. क्योंकि 13 is only come in table of 1 and in table of 3. So only two factors are of 13. So 13 is a prime number. If I talk about 17, Dhairya, 17 is a prime number or a composite number? Dhairya, will you answer me?
Composite number.
How it is composite number? 17 is
Ma'am,
only
can I
having two factors, bacha. One,
Okay.
because 17 is coming in the table of 1 and as well as in the 17, not more than. किसी और table में नहीं आता है.
Okay.
So when there are two factors only, that number is a prime number. Yes, Anna, you want to say something? Somebody said,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Ayush.
Yes, Ayush.
Ayush, want to say. Ma'am, can I tell you the list of all the prime numbers in my mind?
I will ask, write it in the chat box and I will read it, okay? So what happened, Aryaman, what happened, bacha? You facing some network issue because you are coming and going in my class. Please sit with your camera on, everyone. Let me take the attendance once again.
Now we should write in the notebook.
Yeah, you can write. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. Prime numbers are the numbers. I can write here also. Prime numbers. Is my board clearly visible? Are the numbers
Yes, ma'am, the board is clearly visible.
which has only two factors. Such, for example, only two factors, 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. For example,
Ma'am, you have to write this.
yes. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. 13 and so on. Or be factor. होते हैं numbers.
Ma'am,
Prime
but
numbers.
every number comes in one, and every number comes in one.
So 1 is a factor of every number.
Okay, and when you were telling if it is two factors, I can't understand that.
2 factors means that number is coming in the table of 1 and the number itself.
Okay.
If I say 13, 13 is having only 2 factors, is coming in the table of 1. Wait, write this, then I will explain you with the activity also, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you told you will tell a story on one. Why is it not a prime number?
Story.
Yeah, you told that.
Yeah,
why.
I will tell you in the next coming classes, okay?
Ma'am, but the prime number, one should be a prime number.
Acha, that you only ask me, no? 1 is not a prime number, even not a composite also. Because 1 is coming in the only one factor is there. So 1 is not a composite also, not a prime also.
So by mistake, I wrote about 1. Can you ignore that in my prime
Yes.
numbers?
Yeah, please erase that. No, you can cut it also. Please write it fast.
I don't know. I'm in a Ma'am, I've written my. I've sent it in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have sent factors of 12. Ma'am, can you decide your hands because I cannot see.
Ma'am, we have to write on board.
Yes, my
on
dear.
our notebook. Would you?
Yes, I have explained. Samriddhi, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Yes, I told in the beginning.
I have sent factors of 12.
Yeah, wait, I will see also. And children, I will explain this with the activity also. Okay. So now I'm going to erase it. Either take the screenshot or do it fast.
And 2 minutes.
1 second.
Ma'am, I have Dani, sit properly, write it in your notebooks, and please be little fast, bacha, because I need to explain you in the with the help of activity also.
Done.
Okay. See, children, how is the prime numbers? Factors are only 2. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the 13 beads with me. I have 13 beads with me. I want to make these groups. Okay. If I want to make the groups of 13, one group each. So how many groups I will make? 1 beads in each group. So
and
how
13 beads in one.
In one group, how many beads?
1, 2,
Ma'am,
13.
Ma'am, 1.
1 bead, beta.
13.
1 beads in one.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So 1, if I want to make a group of 1 with this 13 beads, so 1 will come in the each group. So I can say that when I do 1 multiply by 13, it's 13. Now, with the same 13 beads, make the group of 2. Make the group of 2. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why it is not possible?
Ma'am, because 13 is the prime number.
You all know 13 is a prime number, but see, if I make the group of 2, right? Wait.
Yeah, it's not
The
possible.
one will be left.
Not even number.
Yes, 1 will be left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if I make the two groups, so you can see all are not possible. One is left. So it is not with the 2. Now we check with the group of 3s, right?
Yes.
Then also it is possible.
No,
No,
ma'am.
because
Ma'am, then will be
It is
one.
also
One
it
circle
is
will
also
be left.
left one.
One circle will be left.
and the divisibility of 3 says plus them. So 4 is coming, which is not divisible by 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, in this we can also see by tables. In
Yes.
tables,
So
it
I will
comes
come
not.
on the I will come on the tables further, right? So this way, if you check the divisibilities test and check the groups, so you will see that till 13 they are not making. So on the 13 only it is coming now. So we can say that the 13 is a prime number and it's coming in the table of
Excuse
1
me, ma'am.
only. And the 13. Yes, Nishika.
I had a doubt that why we have to see that is 4 divisible by 3 or not.
Ma'am,
By checking that whether 13 is divisible by 4 or not, means 13 is coming in the table of 3 or not.
Okay.
Okay, and that divisibility, divisibility says add them, which is 4 and which is not divisible by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now come on the factors, how to write the
ma'am, in
factors.
7 on in the 5 or 7 also it is
Please
not
write the
coming.
factors of 12. Start with the 1. 1 multiply by
12.
12 equals to 12. Is 12 coming in the table? Please start writing in the notebooks. Factors of 12.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the line on prime numbers.
Yes. Yes, Ayush.
I couldn't write the line on prime numbers. When I took the screenshot, it came very blurry.
You can share with your friends later on after the class. You can ask from them. 1 into 12 equals to 12. Is 12 is Karna, please mute your mic and come to your place again. Now is 12 coming in the table of 2? Check with
Yes,
the divisibility of 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How many times?
6 times. 6 times.
Is 12 coming in the table of 3? Check with the divisibility.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 3 fours. 3 fours are.
Anya, check the tables. Is
In the 4 also it is not taking 12. And the 5 it is not coming.
see children. When 4 when the 4 is coming and it's repeating, so we stop here.
Not them. Not them.
Mute your mic, Karna, and please come back to your place. Come back to your place. Where were you?
Am I in the washroom?
Please, my dear, then mute your mic and go. Now you take a U-turn and write all the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. Means 12 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay?
Ma'am, in the 6 table it is also coming.
Yeah, I've written no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. I've written na. I've taken a U-turn na, bacha. Because as I said, when it is repeating, you stop there. Can I tell you the more factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the factors of 18. Write the factors of 18. I'm giving you the numbers here. 18, 11, 32, Do these
Ma'am, any more numbers or just
15. Just 4 sums.
Okay,
18, 11, 32 and 15. So I'm going to erase this. Please write. I request everyone to please write. Vivan Balchandani, please use your notebook and write. Kush, Migdad, everyone
Excuse
please
me,
write.
ma'am.
Yes.
11 is a prime number, so I just have to write the two factors of it.
Yes, yes. And composite numbers are the numbers which have more than 2 factors. So 12 is a prime number or a composite number, my dear students?
Composite.
Composite.
Anya, 12 is a prime or a composite number?
Composite prime.
Composite, because you can see there are many factors which is more than 2. So,
Prime.
yes, please speak.
Ma'am, 12 will be not prime because it is coming in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
Yeah.
12.
So more than 2 factors are there means it's a composite number. Now I'm going to erase it.
And we will write till 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I say the 18 one?
Yes, please tell me the factors of 18.
1 multiplied by 18 equals to 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. Then 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. And 18 multiplied by 1 equals to 18.
Samriddhi, as I said, if you are repeating, then you stop. 6 multiplied by 3. Wait a minute. 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18 means now it's repeating, no? So you stop. Don't do this step and take a U-turn.
Yeah, ma'am. So I am writing in answer only. I am not writing continuously.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Yes, somebody was saying me, ma'am. Which child was that?
Ma'am Anushka, I was saying that the after 11 years written 32, no?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
32 and then 15. Now, children, one more example. I want to explain you how to find the common factors. Wait a minute, till that you can do this. I will come to you and I will explain you about how to find the common factors between the two numbers. You can please continue this.
Ma'am, what after factors of 18? Which factors?
11,
18, 11, 32, 15.
Okay. Ma'am, can you type in chat box?
Can anyone help? I used to write in the chat box because I am searching something here. Can anyone please help? I used to write in the chat box. Karnav, I can see you are not doing anything in the class. Turning off mic is not the solution, bacha. Very good, Nishika. Thank you. Nishika has written in the chat box 18, 11, 32 and 15. So please continue.
Can I tell the 11 answer?
Yes, please.
1 or 11?
Very good.
It is not a table of 2, 3, 4 and table, but only this.
Yes.
Ma'am, because it's a prime number. Even in my list, 11 was there.
Ma'am, in 11 it comes 11 ones and 1 11 down.
Yes. So 1 and 11 are the factors. Now I want to explain you one thing more, which is how to find the common factor. I will present my screen. Okay. Wait, I will present my screen and show you the today's Google form which I am going to send you. I have already requested students in the beginning not to leave the class. Still there is a time and I can see 3 students have left my class. My dear students, your names are going to the sir. Please take a note of it. Is my presentation screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, is my presentation screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is this Google form visible to you all? Today I am going to...
No,
Not
ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pin on my presentation screen. This is the video which I am going to send you, and there are some instructions written on it. You can read it thoroughly and then attempt the Google form. Because it's written where to put a comma, where not to put a comma, where to put a space. All the instructions are given in this. Find the factors of 35. You will able to find by the multiplication method. 81, 64, 72. Now I am going to explain you this E1. Find the factors of 14. Find the common factors of 14 and 21. So you will write the factors of 14 first. Factors of 14 is, and my board is visible to you all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first you will write the factors of 14, which is 1 multiplied by 2 equals to, 1 multiplied by 14 equals to 14. 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. Is the 14 is coming in table of 3?
No, ma'am.
4,
No, ma'am.
5, 6,
No,
7.
No, ma'am.
7 it's coming.
Yes.
But it's already 7 is here. So we stop. Okay. We take a U-turn. So 1, 2, 7 and 14 are the factors of 14. Write the factors of another number. Which was the other number?
21.
21. Yes, write the factors of 21 now. So we start with again 1 into 21 equals to 21. 2 into what?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Two
No,
table
it's not
doesn't.
coming.
3, 7,
4, 4, 5,
No, ma'am,
6,
not at
7. It's coming in 7. So 7 is
Yeah.
right there.
Yes.
We take
Now
a
stop.
U-turn. So 1, 3, 7 and 21. So which are the common factors which is in both?
1 and
1 and 7. 7, 1 and 7.
7.
Okay. So you can see here the answer also 1 comma 7 is the factor of 21. Got it everyone? Common factors, everyone know how to find the common factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now open your textbook everyone. I'm going to stop the presentation.
Ma'am, in the 32 table, it is coming 1, 4, 2, 20, 32, or 88, or 16.
88, 8 and 16. Yes. Now open the page number. Yes. Now take out. Yes, take out page number 94, students. Page number 94. There she is having bangles. She is having 18 bangles and she is trying to group them. She can put them in the group of 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangle left. So this is the activity done by the bangles for the factors. So here is a table given on the page number 94. page number 94, it is a table given, and where you need to write the factors of these different numbers. Please complete this table also and the Google form which I am going to send you today. Got it, students?
Ma'am,
I will mark the attendance of the students, those who are here.
Ma'am, we have to attach this.
You have to show me in the class next day.
Okay.
Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.